Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 magnetic drill press. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Vevor MD40 Magnetic Drill Press. Specifications. Brand name, Vevor. Frequency, 50/60ths of a Hertz. Model number, MD40. Weight, 30 pounds, 13.6 kilograms. Power source, AC. Rated input power, 1100 watts. Voltage, 110 volts US 230 volts U/AU. Rated frequency, 60/50ths of a Hertz. The item number 2 is, magnetic drilling machine. Specifications. Brand name, JMZI. Drill type, magnetic drill. Usage, commercial manufacture. Model number, JT6023A. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Max. Drilling diameter, 23 mm. Power source, AC. Product name, FC3657. Name, magnetic drill. Rated speed, 0-350 R per minute. Electromagnet attraction, 0-351 R per minute. Rated power, 1380 watts. Core drilling diameter, 50 mm. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Vevor MD40 Drill Press. Specifications. Brand name, Vevor. Frequency, 50/60ths of a Hertz. Model number, MD40. Weight, 30 pounds, 13.6 kg. Power source, AC. Rated input power, 1100 watts. Spindle diameter, 0.75 inches, 19 mm. Drill travel, 2.00 inches. Voltage, 110 volts US/220 volts U. Power, 15A. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.